knows what can I do? Oh, I can just lie to ma'am again. Ma'am, I got hurt in my hand. I can't do art anymore. Now ma'am understood that she was lying and said, Darby, you can sit there and watch the kids are doing art. Okay, Darby? Thank you, ma'am. After a few days, there was a dance competition. Darby was so excited because she loved dance. She raised her hand and said, Ma'am, pick me. I love dance. No, Darby, you have told a lot of lies. Okay, Darby? Please, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, I could give her a last chance. Darby, this is your last chance. Okay, Darby? Thank you, ma'am. Then she wore her a dance dress and danced beautifully like a free bird. Then she won the first trophy. She promises to herself, I will never tell lies and be honest to ourselves. The moral of the story is, we should never tell lies and be honest to ourselves. Thank you all.
Thank you guys. Be honesty. Thank you, ma. Okay, now the old folk dance. It's a old folk dance. Okay, start on.
పిల్లల్ని పంపించకపోతే వాళ్ళేమన్నారు మేము ఎన్ని రోజులు పెట్టేసి ఏమైనా అంతే కదా
పంపి.
పాప కూడా